Today I'm going to show you how to smoke a boneless pork shoulder. It's only 3.5 pounds, but we're going to do it anyways because just a couple of people is going to eat this. Right here I have my seasonings, which you can find in the description. I'm going to show you how to rub it first. Okay, I'm going to take my seasonings and I'm going to put it on there. Rub it in. I'm going to be making a sauce with this, so seasoning helps. That sauce is going to be amazing. Get it in there good, and then you're going to let it rest. And then what I'm going to show you, we're going to put it on that smoker. Here we are with our little bitty pork shoulder. And I'm going to smoke it. It's still heavy for me. I'm going to smoke it with the fat side up to let those juices run down. Delicious. Now we're just going to let it sit there for a while. Alright, y'all. There it is. It's done. Now we're going to take it inside and I'm going to tear it apart and we'll put some sauce on it. Okay, y'all. There it is on a sandwich. I like to put jalapenos on mine. And there's the sauce. We're just going to put this down there. Check that out. That's one of the best barbecue sandwiches you're going to have. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Push like and subscribe to my page. I got so much more to do. See y'all later. Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to cook a boneless pork. Stop.